This is very much cruelty. Huh. Huh. That's too much. That's too much. Okay, Tanish, I'm in live class. Can you share the link, beta? I'm in live class, Tanish. First, about your health condition, you discuss your mom. After that, we will take some things on the See, if night, we will do one thing. We will do one thing. Night, 10 to 12, we will study, practice maths. We will do one thing. Morning, they are not giving us time now, so we will study night. That will be best. So we are also very big thinkers. We know how to take out time to study. Correct, ma'am? Yes. See, before examination, I used to read day and night. And for me, night and days are not visible. So I really wish you people also to do the same work. Wait, we will do this work. Now, final revision time is very less. We have to go for it. No, why? Not needed. Not needed. Okay, fine. I'll not be informing you. Okay, Tanish, I'm in live class. Okay, that was quite nice, but we will discuss about it. Okay. Okay. Fine. I told you to share the link, but did you share the link? No. Ashwita, did you share the link? No. Shall we start the class, please? Did you share the link? निखिल चौबे, आप किधर से हैं गुरु? Yep, we'll start the class, please. खुशी नगर नाम तो बहुत अच्छा है. चलो, we'll start the work, please. Now let's start the class. कौन सी क्लास में हैं आप गुरु? ये भी बता दीजिए. Come on, look here. A golf ball is spherical with about 300 to 400 dimples that help increase its velocity. Okay, so 10. तब तो बहुत अच्छा है. CBSE की AC. चलिए शुरू करें. यूपी बोर्ड से. ओके, एग्जाम्स कब से हैं? चलो फिर start the work, please. So a golf ball is spherical with about 300 to 500 dimples that help increase its velocity while in play. Golf balls are traditionally white but available in colors also. In the given figure, a golf ball has diameter 4.2 centimeter. So what is the diameter of the golf ball given? The diameter of the golf ball given is 4.2 centimeter in diameter, and the surface has 315 dimples hemispherical of radius 2 mm. So this much information is already given. Oh, okay. So now what next work is there we are going to do? Come on, let's start the work, because just write down the content informations and we are going to start. 100%. Why not? This is for everyone, beta. It's not for one person. So अब बनाओ. I will definitely be supporting you. और अगर कुछ questions doubt होगा तो आप हमारे channel में डाल सकते हो. For your board, I am going to solve it. There's nothing. I belongs to Jharkhand. Okay, so now we are going to work. So here what and all things are given? 315 dimples are there. How many dimples are there? 315 dimples are there, and hemispherical part is exactly having, see, check this very nicely. There are three things they have given which you need to understand. जो तीन चीजें दी गई हैं उनको एक बार अच्छे से देख लिया जाए. In this they have told golf ball has diameter 4.2 centimeter and the surface has 315 dimples, hemispherical. Okay, so hemispherical, so hemispherical part. So this part of radius 2 centimeter is there. So what work we are going to do? Let's check this one out. So first is the diameter. The diameter given is 4.2 centimeter. 4.2 centimeter. Porni, good evening. Shall we start work? So now first work is diameter given is 4.2. So radius will become, my name is Kushbu. So 2.1 centimeter. Understood? Radius is given in mm. That is the dimples radius is given. 315 dimples are there, and understood not? 315 dimples are present. If you will do like this means I am going to block you next time. Understand? Good afternoon, everyone. Shall we start doing the work, please? Everyone get ready, please. So every dimple is exactly in the shape of hemisphere. Okay. So now 315 on the surface. Can you see the dimples are there? Total dimples generated is 315. Understood? So now we are going to check this part as कि when you are exactly generating one dimple, the dimple I am laughing because of that idiot part. So radius is equal to 2 mm is given. Understood now? Now because this part is much to understand. I hope you might have understood. So now we will start our work. First part is, this is exactly the diameter 4.2 centimeter. 4.2 centimeter. And second one is, this part is exactly the picture where this dimples are presented. So total dimples are present inside it is 315 dimples present. And each one is having a radius of 2 mm. So this till here, we have understood the concept. Now let's start solving the question answers. Everyone come on, join. Maya, are you there in the group, please? Because most of the students went to school, so I am starting this part. Find the surface area of one such dimple. One such dimple surface area. So one such dimple surface area, how to find? Now look here, this is exactly the dimple. Fine. Now what is the radius of this dimple? The radius of this dimple is 2 mm. Understood? So the radius of the dimple is 2 mm. Yeah, triangle chapter videos are already there, and if you will be seeing, that triangle chapter much contents I have given. If you wish, I will be making, because now revision started now. Maths and science revision started in our channel. So today 4 to 5 hour classes are there. After this magnetism, I am going to revise. So now look here. So radius is given as 2 mm. Now surface area of one such dimple. So surface area of one such dimple is 2 pi r square. So it will become 2 into pi into 2 into 2. So it will become 8 pi square mm. So this is the surface area of one such dimple. So one work is over. Now pi value, whatever you wish, you can write, that is 3.14 or 22 by 7. If they have given 3.14, please you write 3.14. If they have given 22 by 7, then just 8 into 22 by 7 you do, and just find the decimal values. This is the first part. Got it? Now, the second part of the question. Find the volume of the material dug out to make one dimple. So here, what is exactly needed? Here, the most important thing needed is you need to find the volume of the hemisphere. So once you will be getting the volume of the hemisphere, look at it, volume of one hemisphere, because see, from the wall, what is the dugout portions are there. So that volume is taken out. Understood or not? So once the volume has been taken out and there is such 315 dimples are present. So first what we will do is we will find the volume dug out for one hemisphere, means one dimple. Understood? And then we will multiply it with 315. And once we will multiply it with 315, we will be getting the total volume region. I hope it is clear to you. Is it clear to you? So what is the volume of, so this dimple radius is 2 mm. Understood? So volume will be what? So volume of one dimple, you can say volume of one dimple is equal to 2 by 3 pi r cube. Now 2 by 3 into pi into 2 cube. So here how much it will become? 8 to 16 pi by 3 is the volume of one dimple. Like this, how many dimples? 5.3. Very good. So how many such dimples has been taken out? 315 dimples has been taken out. Very good, Ashmita. So 315 total. How many dugouts are there? Total 315 dimples are there. So what is the total value volume, beta? So total volume taken out. So volume taken out will become how much? Is 315 into 16 pi by 3. So if you will cancel this one, 105 mm cube. So this is the total volume. So 105 into 16 if you will do. Hi Tapashwini, let's start the work please. Surface area and volume case studies we are discussing. So I hope all the students, those who are returning from school, they will be doing their work. So here it is coming as 105 16. So how much it is coming, beta? So we are going to say that it is 16805 mm cube. This much is the volume of the material has been taken out. Okay, yes, 16805. That much is the volume of the material taken out. That's the most important part. Now, most of the students are in school, so we are making this video. They can see the recorded part of it afterwards, because we have 4 hours or 5 hours of class today, starting from now onwards. I hope you might have understood this one. So now I'll go for the next one, please. So this is find the total surface area exposed to the surrounding. What is the meaning of that? The total surface area exposed to the surrounding. This is a clear-cut indication. Total surface area exposed to the surrounding means what? Just check this one out. First, so you have to find the surface area, total surface area of the sphere. Understood not? So because see, the sphere is exactly like this. The spherical tennis ball is like this. Now, this surface area will be how much? The surface area will be 4 pi r square. Understood not? Now, in that, this r will be exactly the radius given as, because diameter given was 4, I think 4.1 or 2.1. I'll check that one. After that, 315 such humps are generated, and in that pi r square, they are taking the surface area as 2 pi r square. Understood? So their radius will be different and this radius will be different. And when it will be exactly, so this exposure will be this minus this. Here exposure will be minus, not plus. Understood? Because that regions are present in between them. Understood? Just imagine that one total part is there, and from that part that much has dug out. So dug out is having its own surface. Understood not? So that surface plus the remaining part of the ball, that has to be calculated as total surface area exposed. Understood? So here just one time, can you tell me what is the radius, beta? Because I don't know what is the radius, I just removed that part. Radius is, I think 4.1 or 2 point, what is the radius taken that time? Or I'll check this one out. Diameter is 4.2, so radius will become 2.1. Okay, so diameter is 4.2, so radius will become 2.1. Absolutely. So because sphere radius was we are going to take. Just understand this one very nicely. So this is the sphere beta. Now this radius part, diameter is given as 4.2 centimeter is diameter. Okay, D1 will be there. So what will be the radius? Radius is 2.1 centimeter. Now beta, this part is exactly having what? Total surface area. If somebody will ask for this sphere is, so total surface area of sphere is TSA of spherical ball is 4 pi r1 square. Understood? Now every single humps are present like this. Totally 315 humps are there or dimples are there. So surface area of each dimple is, only because with the sea, that is a hemisphere and that the surface is open, so it will become 2 pi r2 square. And with the r1 is this, r2 is about the hump hemispherical, that radius is given as 2 mm. Got it? Now beta, here one thing don't forget, one is in centimeter, one is in millimeter. So you have to convert the unit same also, because little bit mistake will happen, means the entire answer will go wrong. So you need to be very, very careful. So here radius given is 2.1 centimeter. So now we know that mainly centi. So centimeter means here if you will convert this into millimeter, it will become 2.1 into 10 mm. So this one will become 21 mm. Now the radius of the spherical ball will become 21 mm. And this is the radius of the dimple is 2 mm. So now everything is matchable. Now we are having how many such dimples? 315 such dimples are there. So total dimples present is, total dimple surface area will be how much, beta? Total dimple surface area. Because one dimple surface area is this much, then total dimple surface area will be how much? A simple calculation is there. See, 4 pi into, here now it is coming 21 into 21. And then here this one will become 2 pi 2 into 2. But is it only one dimple? No, there are 315 dimples present. So what we are going to do? We will multiply 315 into 8 pi. Story over. 8 pi 40, 8 1 8, 8 plus 4 12, 3 8 24, 25. 2520 pi. Come on, and here it is coming as 441 441 into 4 pi, which is coming 416, 416, 17645. This will become mm square. Mm square calculation part, one time check children. This part is coming. Now we need to only subtract that part to get the answer. Are you understanding this part? So carefully we need to find the answer. I hope you might have understood this part better, because the hump will be exactly 315 circles will be there, and surface area of dimple will be exactly 315, exposed region will be there. So just this one minus this one we will do, we will get the answer. I hope you might have understood this part. Did you got this point, beta? Because 315 pi r square will be there. Then 315, because surface area of 315 dimples will be what? Understood. Surface area of 315 circles will be there, and surface area of 315 dimples will be there. That has to be also taken out, because this is not a small question. This is a very typical question. When this comes to this, the total surface area exposed to the surrounding. So here total surface area exposed to the surrounding, with these are circles, and this circle area and then internal part area will be there. So that has to be very much nicely taken care of. So 315 pi r square will be there. That part now we need to expose and take it out. That is also very important. I hope you might have understood till here that what I have done. First, the spherical ball we have taken out. That is 4 pi r1 square. That's the first part. Second part is surface area of each dimple is this much. Now how many dimples will be there? Total dimples are exactly having surface area 2 pi r square. Check everybody. Done till here? Walaikum salam. I can do like that. So here beta, this part will be added to this one, and circle. The circle which is exactly differentiating both of them, that has to be removed. So how many circles are present? There are 315 circles that has to be removed. Understood? So these two we have to subtract or add, because see this surface area and this region, it is present there. But this circle is exactly removed out. So this circle has to be removed. Understood or not? So this circle removal is now this is only coming like this. Understood? Very carefully solve this question. Again, this is there. This circle has to be removed. So it should come like this. Are you understanding? But this part has to be, this upper part has to be removed. So what is the TSA? So this is TSA of ball, this is the TSA of dimple. That is surface where part is exactly there. Already we have got 2520. Now next part. That is area of 31 circles. So 315 circles. Because that circle, this part has to be removed. Now the hump should come like this. So it will become 315 into pi r square. So this is 315 into 2 twos of 4 pi. So it is coming as 4 5 20, 4 1 4 5 6, 3 4 12 pi square mm square. So this much has to be removed beta. This 2 will be added, because now this 2 will be added and this part will be removed. So what we will do? 1764 pi plus 2520 pi minus 1260 pi. This will become the final answer. I hope I got scared. You scared me. Is it done? hope everybody might have understood. Vishwa, good evening, Vita. So only I started class little late because I was knowing my monkeys will be coming from school little late. You didn't write the school today, 1764 this much by minus 1260. So 4 will come, 2 will come, 0, 3. So it is coming as 3024 pi. 3024 pi is coming. Understood? So this is the way how to solve the question. Understood not? Now with the last part, find the volume of the golf ball. Golf ball volume means we will find the volume of the sphere minus volume of 315 hum. Remember that one. Don't do directly. Are you understanding? 315 dimples are there, na? That has to be removed. That will be the actual volume. Are you understanding? That means what I said. I am going to repeat this part. Check this one out. Here, beta, volume of the sphere minus volume of 315 humps. Understood? So this is exactly the volume of the remaining volume. So remaining volume, if somebody asks the volume of ball, that volume of ball itself is remaining volume. And remaining volume formula is what? Volume of sphere 4 by 3 pi r1 cube minus 315 into pi r2 square. Sorry, 315 into, this hemisphere now. So 2 by 3 pi r2 cube. So here it will become 4 by 3 pi r1 is what? 21 cube minus 315 into 2 by 3 pi into 2 cube. So if you solve this one, you will get the answer. This is a way to proceed the questions, please. Understand this one. The case study questions is proceeded like this only. So once the case study questions are coming like this, we need to be very much acquainted with the process of solving. I hope you might have understood. I hope you might have understood how to go with the question. Now look here, we'll go for the next part of the question, please. So this is exactly the end part of this case studies. Now we are going to go for the next section. In next section, what I am doing is, I will be giving you one question in an instant. This question is expected question for this year, and then you have to solve the question. This question, why are you removing the messages? That's good only. Scotting in your language is not bad. It's good, appreciable. And I really liked it. Now look here. So now we will go for the next part. Are we ready for the next 2023 questions, beta? Now we will be talking about, based on the questions, I think this is the golf question. Golf question we have finished, so case study is going to be over. How many case studies we have done? Yesterday and today, I think 7 or 8 case studies we have finished. 6 case studies we have finished. Now surface area and volume, some of the most expected question or pattern. Thank you so much, and thank you so much for wishing me. That's a very good thing. Now look at, now we are going to take care of some of the questions which is exactly type to long type question answers. It will take me time to write, see, 10 questions, and the questions which are exactly connected, like figure connections are there. That type questions are seriously going to be important for you. Correct now? So now I'm going to write the question and you are going to solve the question. This question came in CBSE 2018. Children, get ready for solving this question. This question came in CBSE 2018. Okay, CBSE 2018 question, get ready for it. So now what is the question given to you? Let's see this question. A heap of rice is in the form of cone. A heap of rice is in the form of cone. So what is the shape of the rice? The rice is exactly taking the shape of cone. After that, what they are telling, of base diameter, of base diameter, what is the base diameter given to you is 24 meter. So the base diameter of the cone is 24 meter. I underlined the specific thing that you need to know. Next part, beta. And height is 3.5 meter. Height is coming as 3.5 meter. Now find the volume of rice. Find volume of rice. First part of the question. Second part question is, check this one. Find the volume of how much canvas cloth is required to cover the heat. How much canvas cloth is required to cover the heat. Third part, what will be the total cost of canvas if 1 meter square cloth needed 20 rupees. Understood? The last part of the question is, if the rice is kept in cylindrical container of same dimension, then how many such containers are needed? This is a very important question. The dimension of the container looked like this. Radius is given as 7 centimeter. Radius is given as 7 centimeter and height is given as 10 centimeter. How much such containers will be filled? Come on, start solving the question, please. Get ready and start solving the questions. One of your friend was telling he also wants to come with you. No, Ashish, no. Another boy. Not Jeevitan. Harshit, no. Any, wait, no. Yesterday only he messaged me that he wants to come. You take him also because he is telling that he wants to come for some Harshit. Mahabali, how he will come. Come on, children, start doing the work. Can I solve? Come on, go for it. Start solving the question, please. Everyone try, otherwise I will solve the question. Okay? Who and all are present online, please kindly inform. Vishwa, are you there? Okay. First answer is coming as how much it is coming? Hello? Yes? Yes, ma'am? Yes? Yes, sir. Okay, okay, sir. Just give me 10 minutes. Are you there? I'm in light class. Just 10 minutes to give. You can wait and come. So now look here. A heap of rice is in the form of base spoon diameter is given. Shall we check this part out? This is exactly understood now. So diameter is coming as 24 meter. So radius will be coming as 12 meter. Then height is given as 3.5 meter. Height is coming as how much? 3.5 meter. So 3.5 meter height is there. So now 3.5 meter height means we have to find first one is volume. What is the formula for volume? Formula for volume will be easy only, na? So volume will be what? First part they are asking volume. So volume will be equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. So it is coming as 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into what is radius? 12 into 12 into height is 3.5. So this one will become 0.5 and this one will become 4. So it is coming as 88 into 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 6. So this much cubic meter is the volume, correct? So now here 6 8 48, 6 8 48. 5 so 5 to 8 cubic meter is the volume of rice. First one done. After that, what they are telling, find the volume of rice, we did it. How much canvas cloth is required to cover the heap? So canvas cloth is going to cover the upper region, so it will become surface area, na? Yes. So here surface area, how we are going to, the canvas required to cover the heap will be exactly pi r. For that we need to find slant height. What we have to find? Slant height. L is equal to root under h square plus r square. So here it is coming as 3.5 whole square plus radius is given how much beta? 12 square. So how much it will become? 12.25 because 3 4s are 12, 5 5 25. So 12.25 is 144. So how much it is coming as? 144.00 and here it is 12.25. So how much it is coming? 156.25. How much it is coming? 156.25. Check. If we will remove this one, it is coming 100 down. So it is 15625 by 100. So 10 will go outside. Now it is coming as 15625. Check this one out. So it is coming root 5 will come, correct now? 1, 2, no, 1, 2, 3. 125 by 10. So it is coming as 12.5. How much it is coming as? 12.5 meter. So slant height is coming as 12.5 meter. So now we can find the surface area. So total surface area to cover is pi r l. So that is 22 by 7 into 12 into 12.5. Understood now? So this is 12.5. So pi r. This much part is exactly going to be how much canvas cloth is required to cover the hip. So this much square mm of this much is there. Understood? Now what is the total cost? This much. Total cost will be this much when we are writing 20 rupees into. So answer will come in rupees 20 into 22 by 7 into 12 into 12.5. So this much is rupees coming. Understood? So this much rupees we have to convert. Understood or not? So decimal problem you solve, that much part is exactly needed. So where is the lowest part? That part you come and just finish that one. But here the last part of the question is saying what? If the rice is kept in cylindrical container, then dimension how much such container is needed. That means volume of rice by volume of one container. By volume of one container. Volume of rice. See, when they are asking number of containers, what they are asking? Number of containers. So when they will ask number of containers, that means volume of rice by volume of one container. Volume of one container. So here volume of rice is what? Pi r. Here you remember one thing. This is given in meter, but here the container height is given in centimeters. So we will convert this meter into centimeter. 3.5 into 100. So that means 350 meter. How much it will become? 350 meter. Here radius will become 1200 centimeter. So now what is the volume of rice? 1 by 3 pi r square. R square means 1200 into 1200 into height will become 350. By down cylindrical part is pi r square. What is radius? 7 into 7 pi r square into height is 10. So this and this will get cancelled, correct? Pi and pi will get cancelled. 7 will cancel 5, correct? So now how much it is exactly? 3 will cancel 400. So how much it is coming actually? Only 7 is left. So here it is coming. 5 fours are 20. 1 0 into 1200 by 7. Correct? So here it will become 0000. 2407. So such small containers means how many containers will be needed? Nearly how many containers will be there? 24. Some decimal values will come, but we need to find them. 2 4. Hello Anvi, after so long, beta. So we will take the decimal, we will solve the question here. One part I am going to solve this part. So definitely the rice needed in container. So this is 7. So 10 we have used, 10 we have used, 1 7 So this many containers, 7535, approximated 0.77. So here it will come approximated 3, 4, 2, 8. 5 minutes more, we will take 6 containers. Understood? So this is a way to solve. कौन से क्लास कर ली? So I hope you might have understood how to handle this question. I hope you might have understood this part. So this is exactly the way to solve the questions. Okay. So now this is 7 4. This is one part, this is one section. Now I'm giving you a gap of, listen, I'm giving you a gap of 45 minutes. Okay, till then you will be solving maths. I'm going to take out magnetism chapter and I'm going to give you that work. Okay.